Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Great Bent, Local, and Long Distance Movers near me. A move that is more than 50 miles from your current address is a long distance move. 3 Movers offers fast, reliable, and efficient long distance moving services, interstate and interstate. When moving your belongings over long distances, we ensure the safety of your belongings. All your items are handled carefully by our movers, and our trucks have spacious compartments which hold your belongings in place. They're also strong and fit for moves over 50 miles. Our drivers are very cautious when driving. We put adequate insurance in place to cover the risk during the move. We also have licenses from authorities in charge of relocation. Local moves occur when you cover a distance of 50 miles or more. Moving urgently within Great Bend, Kansas is usually challenging because of the shortage of high-standard moving companies and how busy the city can be. 3 Movers is adequately staffed and equipped to respond immediately to your calls and proceed with the moving process. We charge cheap rates, yet we deliver top-notch services. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Great Bend moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.